My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I want to talk to you. Did you get a letter from IRS that you need to file a tax return? IRS goes through different seasons to do that. I think sometimes their computers set their algorithms as to what they need to do. And right now, for some reason, this month, I probably got 6 calls, like real quick. IRS wants a tax return. They want this return. They want that return. Usually it's a return that they should have filed about 2 years ago. So this is you. What do you do when IRS wants a tax return and you have a letter that they want that return? Well, let me tell you what this is going to unearth, what this is. IRS's algorithm found out you did not file a tax return for one of the years. Now, there may be multiple years, but IRS has targeted this year maybe because there's a W-2 or 1099 that's missing, it's incomplete, it's not there, there's no return. IRS has these matching programs. So they say, well, we have W-2s and 1099s here, but there's really no tax return. So this is the beginning of the unearthing of the process that IRS wants that return. Now they're going to do a full compliance check, which means they're going to want all the returns from there forward. For some reason, they've targeted 1 year, but they usually know that you haven't filed other years. So if this is you, what the best thing to do is get that tax return filed right away. If not, IRS is going to file that return, or they're going to send the case down to a local revenue officer to call you in the office, give you a summons, bring in all your records, and start to interview. And you do not need that. So if you got a letter, get that return in. And so let's say they send you a letter that says, hey, we want the 22 return, and you haven't done 23 and 24. I suggest you get those returns, and most people are self-employed. They didn't have the money to file the return or pay the return. That's probably you. Well, there's a time that you got to say, well, what am I going to do and how am I going to deal with this case? So if you have that letter, this is a time that you really lovingly need to get a plan to go ahead. I'm an IRS insider. I know exactly what they do on all cases. Thank you very much. Give me a subscription. I try to help you as much as I can. Blessings.